Hello all, this is a quick review of the Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack. As you can see, these are finished in white, and also you can see that there are two. There's so much laundry and these come in handy that we bought two of them. Go ahead and separate it there so you can see what one looks like. But we use this, of course, to dry the laundry. As you can see, they're standing up, but the nice thing about these is they do collapse and are foldable. All you do is remove this top shelf, which can be done one-handed, I believe. This, as you can see, snaps into place like so. So all you do is pull it off. And you do the same to the other side, like that. And collapse it down to nothing. So it's great for storage to get it out of the way. And does what it needs to do. Dry your clothes, that's it. It's sturdy enough where you can put a fair amount of clothes. You can see, again, there's 3 levels for drying. Again, 41 inches tall. And we really like it.